I'm Thomas Hatfield, and I'm a shipbuilder. I work in the machine shop as an inside machinist. Inside machinists, they utilize machine tools to produce parts to exacting tolerances and varying degrees of accuracy. We make a lot of different things, everything from washers to fixtures to spacers and bushings. I really adore the tactile feel of machining. I enjoy making things and not something already prefabricated, but I make things from scratch. To see something on a drawing and look at a piece of stock and make that drawing realize is really a true accomplishment. So my grandfather, he started here in 1964 as an outside machinist, and he spent his full career here, 40 years, and really aspired to be like him. He was a great success story, starting out as a third-class helper and ending up as a general foreman. So I've always been interested in mechanical things. I grew up, my dad drag raced, so we were always into cars. Then when I was still in school, I went to work at a bowling alley where I serviced Brunswick A2 pin setters. That was completely mechanical except for a couple solenoids. After the bowling alley, I went to work for a local manufacturing center where I was also an inside machinist for them as well. And I started looking into the apprentice school after having spent some time there, and I felt like I may be able to better utilize my skill set here or advance my career as a machinist a little further. You're fully funded all the way through school. You end up with an associate's degree at the terminus, and you come out of here with no student debt, and you've been taught a skill and you're given an education at the same time. This is a very rigorous job. There's a lot of challenges. You know, this is not easy work, but it is very fulfilling, and I'm very proud that I get to do it and participate in such a good thing that I see as very beneficial to preserving our freedoms in this country. I feel like what we do is very vital, and very happy to be a part of it. And to do it in a manner of such precision and the skill set that it takes to hit these tolerances, to do a good job, is truly fascinating, and I really enjoy it.